Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're in a different setup. I hope you had a great time welcoming the new year 2025. I've had a nice long break and I wanted to start my very first video of the year with Tatcha's Fukubukuro bags, or aka lucky bag. So if you want to know what I got from Tatcha's lucky bag this year, then keep on watching. If you haven't heard, Fukubukuro is a Japanese New Year's tradition where merchants sell products with a free gift with purchase. Well, with Tatcha, their lucky bag deals are spend $100 and get a lucky bag that is also $100 worth of products. Kind of exciting in a way because you don't know what you could get, but it can also be scary. But yeah, with Tatcha products, it's easy to spend $100 with skincare. It is a bougie brand, but they are good quality skincare, and that's why I keep going back to them. And if you haven't watched all my other lucky bag unboxings, I have quite a few in the past year, sometimes 2 in 1 year. So definitely check that out. I'll link the playlist in the description box below or over here somewhere. So let's see how lucky I am this year. The other deal too is if you spend $200, you can get up to $200 worth of products. So it just depends what you feel like doing. Here's my Tatcha order. First of all, I want to show you what I got for $100. So first off is this matcha cleanse. I think it came out about a year ago. And so this is a travel or deluxe size. It's a pretty big size actually, and this will last you a very long time. So this matcha cleanser is a clarifying gel cleanser, so I can't wait to try it. I love most, if not all, of Tatcha's cleansers, so this one I'm sure is going to be a hit. And the other item that I've tried lately, I've been having extremely dry skin, and so the other item that I wanted to try, and I've had many sample sizes of this before through the years of the Fukubukuro seasons, but this one is the Dewy Serum. This serum is full size, and I think it's around, I want to say like $80, somewhere around there. But I love the bottle. So this is supposed to be plumping, hydrating. It contains hyaluronic acid and squalene, like all the things that is gonna keep you plump, and just also has some anti-aging properties so that it reduces fine lines and wrinkles on your face. So I really love that about this, and ooh, I love the bottle. All right, let's open her up. And it's a pumps. I never know what you can get with Tatcha packaging, but it's always amazing. The Dewy Serum, or their purple line, is one of their most hydrating lines. They have like 3 main ones. One is for oily skin, the other is for combination skin, and I would say this is the one for extremely dry skin. So I think I'm gonna really like this because especially during the winter time, I just need all that hydration. That is everything. Just the 2 items to round off Tatcha's $100 purchase. I know Tatcha can be super expensive. As part of the order, I did get some little packet freebies. One is the Dewy Serum. The other is the Dewy Silk Cream. So this is the moisturizer. This is the serum, which is essentially this one. This is a new one. They're the orange line, which is like a brightening line, and this is their eye cream. Lately, with aging and everything, I feel like I've been getting a lot of dullness underneath the eyes, so I can't wait to try it because I need that brightness. Like, I'm losing all that brightness under the eyes, which is kind of sad. But we can't really stop aging, but hopefully all we can do is just age gracefully through the years. So yeah, I can't wait to see if that eye serum is going to be a hit. So anyways, are you guys ready for my lucky bag? All right, here it is. So the deal is if you spend $100, you can get $100 worth of mystery products. So you don't know what you're gonna get. Sometimes you get 4 or maybe 5 like deluxe travel size items. So these travel size items are actually on their website They are for sale. It's not like something they just kind of package for the Fukubukuro season. So they are out there for sale with the price. Here is the bag. I am surprised because the $100 Fukubukuro bags are usually in a purple. Purple is like Tatcha's signature color, but for the $200 Fukubukuro bags, they're usually green. Well, this year, I think in honor of their brightening creams and serums, they decided to make that into orange. So I almost wanted to buy $200 worth of products just for the color of that Fukubukuro bag. As you can see, it's sealed and there's that Tatcha logo. So let's see. Inside this bag is a card with information of all of the items that are in this Fukubukuro bag, or aka lucky bag. So here it is, and it's exciting, guys. All right, let's start with this first item, the essence. The essence. This is a travel size item from Tatcha. Essence, for whatever reason, is one of the most expensive items from Tatcha. This is what you put before you add your serums to your face. And the essence is supposed to help with product absorption. I can't even pronounce it. But basically, it's gonna allow your pores to open up and receive all of that serum that you put on your face, which makes serums even more effective. I would say the effects of it is not visible to the naked eye, but it is doing something. And I do love it when I have it. It also has some hydrating ingredients to it. So it adds to the overall skincare routine. But I would say for the price, I don't know. I don't think it's my most favorite, but it is a good one. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's just other than the price. The next item seems like it's an even smaller item. This is the Silk Peony Eye Cream. So the Silk Peony Eye Cream is part of the white line from Tatcha. And look how tiny this is. It's so tiny, but honestly, you don't need much. Eye creams come in small packages and they pack a punch and they go a long way. But I've never tried this eye cream before, so I'm super excited about it. And the only other eye cream I've tried is from the purple line, and I'm really loving it. I would think this is a little less heavy than the purple one, so I'm kind of excited to try. All right, the next item is the Tatcha Silk Cream. Okay, I take it back. The Essence is not one of the most expensive items. This is their most expensive items. And at some point, I've had the full-size bottle, which I think is around $125. Yes, I know it's a lot for a skincare. You get what you pay for in this case. The Silk Cream, I would say, is the best among all three moisturizers that Tatcha carries. So they have the blue line for oily skin. They have this one, which is essentially their combo to oily skin tones, I would say, skin types. But it also has very strong anti-aging properties. And that's why if I could afford this every time, I would definitely go with this. But this is a very nice, generous size. I feel like it's a third of the actual full-size bottle. Is it a third or a fifth? Anyways, I'll have all the information in here, if not in the description box below. So this Tatcha Silk Cream is the best. It's not too thick, but it's not too light like the water cream. So if you've tried that, I feel like the water cream doesn't do a lot for me because of my dry skin, but this one, it's the perfect combination, the perfect in between. If you're unsure about what moisturizer to use, I think this is the in between one, and it's like the perfect buy for sure. And I'm so glad that I have a travel size because I was just running out of it. Last item is a full size item, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. This is Tatcha's Kissu Lip Balm. So look at that. And it's like the limited edition packaging. It has those little, gosh, I don't know what these flowers are. I still have the Kissu lip mask from last year's travel size. I do use it a lot, and I use it for the evening time. It's not something I would use right underneath my lipstick for the day. It has to be an overnight mask for me, at least. And so, yeah, I love this. And this packaging is so pretty. It's like, I want to carry this with me all the time. There's no scent, but here's the color right here. I believe this is a limited edition one, and it is gorgeous, guys. So the full size of their Kissu lip mask is around $29. So we did get the full size. So I'm happy about that. So that is it. 4 items in my Fukubukuro bag. We usually get 5, but it just depends. And if you watch my previous unboxings, you will see that there's so much variety of items in the Fukubukuro bag over the years. So honestly, that's how I've tried most of Tatcha's line, because of the Fukubukuro bags. Like just trying out in little samples at first and then buying the full size. So if you look at it, you might think, oh my gosh, these are little tiny items. How did they amount to $100? Well, they did. So if you look at their website, you will see the pricing for these deluxe size items. And yeah, they do add up to about a total of $106 for the entire Fukubukuro bag. So am I lucky this year? What do you think? Comment it down below. Do you like the products that I got in my lucky bag? You know what I love about this is that it has a lot of Tatcha's the white line. The white skincare line is one of the most expensive skincare lines because it is like the perfect in between, and it has anti-aging benefits. So yes, I feel lucky, but what do you guys think? If you guys feel like binge watching my Fukubukuro bag playlist, they are going to be linked in the description box below. So definitely check it out. There's been years that I've been lucky, and there has been some unlucky years, I feel like, but it's been good overall. So I love Tatcha skincare. I still purchase them and repurchase them to this day. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.